Good morning, student. I am your SST teacher. I am going to teach you social study. In social study, I am going to teach you the first chapter, that is our Earth. Our Earth is a planet. As we look at the sky, what we find? We find planet, stars, suns, other heavenly body. Earth is an heavenly body. It revolves round the sun. Like this, Earth is revolving round the sun and other planets also revolving round the sun. Why Earth is called a special planet? Because it is the only planet which have life on it. What makes life possible on Earth? Sun give us heat and light. Large portion of Earth is covered with water. Large portion of Earth is covered with water. It has air around which help us to breathe. The layer of air around Earth is called atmosphere. Here we can see Earth picture. We can see it is blue. Why it is blue? Because of water. It contains water, lot of water on the Earth. Most of the part of Earth is covered with water than land. Everything necessary for life, food, water, air, we get on Earth. So it can be called life is possible on the Earth only. Why is Earth called a blue planet? As before we have studied, because of water present on the Earth, it is called a blue planet. Do you think Earth have a family? Yes, Earth have a family. Earth with other 7 planets and Sun together make solar system. Solar system. Sun is the head of family. This is our solar system. We can look other planet and Earth here. We will study the shape of Earth. What was the shape of Earth? Earlier people thought that Earth is flat with edges. It have corners. So people used to fear to travel and they does not travel long distance because they find that there is a edges and they can fall. Later the Voyager, Aristotle and Copernicus discovered that Earth was round like a ball, not flat with edges. Another Voyager sailed for 3 years from Spain and returned to the same place as if he was traveling in a circle, proving the point that Earth is round, not a flat. Now we will study what is horizon. When we look at far off at the sea beach, there we see a point where one fine surface of sea touching the sky, or when we look from our terrace we get an impression that the land boundary is touching the sky, but the impression is false. This is the concept of horizon. So horizon is an apparent line that separates Earth from sky. It is a line which separates Earth from sky. Now we will study the concept of coast. The coast is defined as the area where land meets sea or ocean, or as a line that forms the boundary between the land and the ocean. Where sea and land meets is called coast, or line between sea and land is called coast. as we can see here in the picture. There is a line between sea and land. Thank you.